Dog bite injuries range in severity. However, almost all of them are extremely traumatic for the people who are bitten. Things that we see could range from near loss of limb to puncture wounds, bite marks, facial scarring, injuries that are requiring large amounts of stitches to be healed. And there's also a major concern for disease and infection. The mental state of clients who have suffered from a dog bite is typically very traumatized. They weren't expecting this to happen. An animal comes at them, and now their body has scarring or puncture wounds, or they're at risk for infection or disease, and they come to us and they're terrified and they don't know what to do. This is especially difficult when you have child victims from dog bites, which we actually do see quite a bit of, because of the nature of their body size. They're so much smaller and they're unable to defend themselves. A lot of times their injuries are more extensive, and they also have to live with those injuries longer. Here at Giles Law, we do handle and are very experienced with dog bite cases. They're a type of case that we have unfortunately coming into the office regularly, and we have clients that range from very young children who have experienced traumatic maulings to adults who have been bitten while they were jogging at the park. Damages in dog bite cases include past and future medical expenses, pain and suffering, and for our minor victims, compensation to the parents and the family. I think that clients hire our firm because they know that they're going to get the benefit of a smaller firm with the experience that you may see at a larger firm. If you were to ask them, I believe that our current and past clients would say that we were there to fight for them. Like, they came to us and we believed in their case, even if other people didn't, and that we were accessible, we allowed them to be heard, we allowed them to be seen, we allowed them to be respected, that we listened to what happened to them, helped them get treatment, and fought for them through the entire course of their case, even if that was into litigation. Client communication in general is a core value of Giles Law. Communication not only with our clients, but also inside the office. Obviously, you cannot successfully handle a case from the inception through litigation if you're not communicating with each other as a team and communicating with your clients. Giles Law is different from other law firms because of the value we put on client accessibility. Mr. Giles and I want to make sure that our clients have direct access to an attorney, and so whether that means that they're able to pick up a telephone and get a hold of us within a reasonable amount of time, to have readily accessible office appointments. We want to make sure that they know that if they hire Giles Law, that they're going to have a lot of one-on-one interaction with an attorney who's going to be very familiar with their case and them personally. An initial case consultation in dealing with a dog injury, you're going to expect to come in, you're going to meet with an attorney. We are going to spend a lot of time gathering the facts of the case, where the dog bite occurred, how this happened, where the owner was, just really specific details, because those are important in a dog bite case. And then we're going to talk to you about how this has affected you, your injuries and your treatment that's needed, how it's affected your family, and then create a plan to try to guide you through the process.